Hello?
Hey, Josh. Dude, I got some really important stuff I want to talk to you about. Do you have time right now?
Now's not really a good time.
Okay, perfect. So here's the deal. We're dropping something new. Something big.
What?
That's what I'm saying. What?
No, Jake, I can't.
I know, dude. I can't believe it either. Wait. I haven't told you what it is yet.
No, Jake, I can't hear you.
Oh, Josh, you're gonna want to hear about this.
Yes. I just can't talk right now.
You remember the manual jack, right?
What?
So get this, we made the screw larger.
What?
I know, isn't that sick? It can lift a full-size Ultra 4 car, and it's lightweight.
I'm lost.
I'm glad you brought up the cost. It's super affordable, and we're calling it Manual Jack 2.0.
Oh, the manual jack. That's perfect. You know what? Can you actually come help me out? Right now I have a flat tire over here.
Oh, man.
Please?
Yeah, dude, we can come get you.
You'll never lift that.
Oh, yes, I will. Try this.
Well, what do you think?
I love it, but do you think people would get that it has all the same safety features as before?
You mean the weld-on jack points that mechanically lock the jack to the car so that it doesn't fall off?
And the flat pad that doesn't sink into the sand.
I think now people will definitely understand it.
Oh, and the fact that it can lift a full-size race car.
Ultra 4 car, class 1, more than just the UTVs like the previous version.
Wow. That sounds like a necessary tool for off-roading no matter what you're doing.
Yeah, you can get it at agmproducts.com.
So easy, they should go order one right now.
I know, agmproducts.com.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, chalk up their body, another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I can play with the pros and that like